Many people experience the same frustrating cycle over and over again. Money enters their life and then somehow disappears. You work hard, you earn income, for a short moment things feel stable. But before you realize it, the money is gone. Bills appears, unexpected expenses arise, impulsive purchases happen, and suddenly you find yourself asking the same question again: where did all my money go? This cycle is not just about income, it is about habits. Because money rarely disappears randomly, it lives quietly through patterns we do not notice. Money is not only a financial tool, it is also a mirror. It reflects the way we think, the way we plan, the way we behave. Two people can earn the same amount of money. One builds wealth, the other constantly struggles. The difference is not income. The difference is behavior. Financial habits shape financial incomes. Most financial problems are not caused by one large mistake. They are caused by many small risks. Subscription you forgot about, daily purchases that feel insignificant, impulsive decisions that provide temporary satisfaction. Individually, these things seem harmless, but one time they accumulate, and those small risks slowly drain your financial future. One of the most common phrases that leads to financial problem is, "I deserve this." After a stressful day, buying something feels like a reward. After working hard, spending money feels justified. But constant self-reward can become dangerous, because when spending becomes emotional, financial discipline disappears. One of the biggest reasons money never stays in people's life is something called lifestyle inflation. When income increases, spending increases as well. Instead of saving more, people upgrade their lifestyle. Better phones, more expensive clothes, more expensive entertainment, and suddenly the extra income disappears. Money without a plan disappears quickly. Imagine trying to travel to a destination without a map. You would wander randomly. You might move, but you would not move efficiently. The same is true with money. A financial plan gives direction to every dollar you earn. Many financial decisions are emotional, not logical. People spend when they feel bored. People spend when they feel stressed. People spend when they feel unhappy. People becomes a temporary escape, but emotional spending often creates long-term problem. The first step to fixing financial problem is awareness. You must understand exactly where your money is going. Track your expenses. Observe your habits. Once you see the pattern clearly, you gain the power to change them. Saving money is not about how much you earn, it is about consistency. Even small amounts saved regularly can grow into something significant over time. Saving builds financial stability, and stability creates freedom. One of the most powerful financial skills is delayed gratification and the ability to resist immediate pressure in exchange for long-term benefit. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" ask, "Will this improve my future?" People who keep money long-term often share a similar mindset. They view money as a tool, not a source of instant pleasure, not a symbol of status, but a source that can build opportunities. Saving protects money, investing grows money. Without investing, money remains limited by working hours. But when money begins to work for you, new possibilities appear. Debt can silently destroy financial disability. Credit cards, loan for unnecessary purchases, borrowed money used for temporary satisfaction. Debt turns future income into past spending. A budget is not about restriction, it is about intention. It ensures that your money moves toward your priorities rather than disappearing randomly. Wealth is rarely created by one lucky moment. It is built through consistent habits, saving regularly, spending intentionally, investing patiently. These habits compound over time. Financial success rarely happens overnight. It is a long game. Small improvements today create larger results tomorrow. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. The moment you take control of your finance, something powerful happens. stress decreases, confidence increases, and your relationship with money becomes healthier. Every financial decision affects the future version of yourself. The choices you make today determine the opportunities available tomorrow. Breaking the cycle of money disappearing requires one decision. The decision to become intentional with saving, intentional with planning. Money staying in your life is not about luck. It is about awareness, discipline, and patience. When you change the way you think about money, you change the way money behaves in your life. The same income that once disappeared can become the foundation of stability, and stability can become the beginning of wealth.